Hello, Hip Hop One friends. This is your group 2 choreography. So I have you separated into 2 groups. By the way, hello, I am Miss Janessa. Some of you have never had me as a teacher before. I'm Miss Janessa. I teach Hip Hop 1, 2, and 3. And if you've never seen me before, it's because you're in Miss Lizzie's Hip Hop 1 and 2 combination class. But for this dance, we're gonna be all hip hop friends together. So if you're in group 2, you are Miss Ruby, Miss Addie, Miss Amariah, Miss Kaylee, Miss Zoe, Miss Libby, and Miss Kaylin. Okay? So hello, my friends. I miss you all, or I wish I had met some of you. I hope to meet you again, or just meet you soon. So we are going to do your group 2 choreography for the song I Believe in Me for our June video, okay? I'm gonna walk you through it step by step in this video, and then we're gonna do it with music in another video, okay? We're gonna go nice and slow, and we'll go over things a lot of times. And the wonderful thing about this being a video is you can watch it as many times as you want, okay? All right, so we're gonna start. And just so you know what side is what, this is my right, and this is my left. And it should be the same as your right and left. So when I say go right, you're gonna go this way. When I say go left, we're gonna go this way, okay? So the first thing that we are going to do, if I can jog my brain and remember, I just did another video and that choreography is in my brain. Luckily I wrote it down. Okay. All right, so we're gonna pretend that we're going to ride the coolest motorcycle or bicycle or whatever we wanna ride in the world. So, plant our feet, arms up, grab the handlebars because that's how we ride them safely. And when you ride a motorcycle, you kind of gotta rev it. You gotta get the engine running, right? So you're gonna rev, and I'm gonna come up close to the camera so you can see in the, so when I'm like this and I rev, I go rev, okay? So when I'm revving, I'm also gonna bounce. So I'm gonna go rev, all right? So you're gonna do that with your right hand first. Rev up. Then you're gonna do step touches. You're gonna go step, touch. All right, so I'm gonna come back. Alrighty, so you're gonna go rev, step, touch. All right, and those are pretty slow. So rev down, come up, rev down, come up, step. You can open your arms, touch, bring them together, step, and touch. And then you stay here, but you put your arms up again. This time we're gonna use our left hand to rev. Rev up, step, touch. So when you put them together, it's going to look like this. Rev up, step, touch, rev up, step, touch. Alrighty? All right, we're gonna move on. So our next thing that we're gonna do is grapevines. So you know there are 2 kinds of grapevines. There's the grapevine where you step and then you step front, or there's the grapevine where you step and you step back. We're gonna do back ones. So our grapevines are gonna go step to the right, step back, step out, step together. And then you're gonna go to the left. Step behind, step out, step together. But it's no fun to do just that. We've gotta make it a little cooler, don't we? So, in between our grapevines, we are going to pretend that when we were riding our bike, we got some dirt all over our jacket and we gotta get it off, okay? So we're gonna go step behind, step together, dust it, step behind, step together, dust it. And if you can remember, you're gonna dust the shoulder that you went to that side first. So when I grapevine this way, when I grapevine like this, I dust this shoulder first. when I grapevine like this, I dust this shoulder first. But if you don't do that and you don't remember, that is not a big deal. I would rather you work on getting your grapevines to look so good, okay? And if you accidentally went this way and you dusted that way first, that's okay. I'll probably do it sometime too when I'm practicing mine. Okay, so when we put all of that together again, it's gonna go like this. Step, behind, step, together. Dust, 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 dust. Step, behind, step, together. Dust, 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 dust. Great job. Okay, so now we're gonna do the whole thing all together. So what do we start with? Our bicycles or our motorcycles or whatever you're riding, right? Okay, we get on a motorcycle. Rev up, step, touch, rev up, step, touch, step, behind, step, together, dust, 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 step, behind, step, together, dust, 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 dust. Okay, so if you can get through that and you're like, I've got this, Miss Janessa, then you are ready to do this with music. If we did all that and you said, I can't do that with music yet because it's gonna get a little faster with music, you can rewind and you can do it all again, okay? All right, so your next video is gonna be with music. Bye.